Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how you can leave a clan in COD Mobile. So if you would like to leave a clan in the Call of Duty mobile game, all that you gotta do is to open the clan page by tapping at the clan button over here. Then open the members list, find yourself on it. Usually you'll stay on top, but I'm not exactly sure. Probably this list is filtered by the status, so probably you'll be on top anyway. So over here, once you've found your player profile, in front of it you'll also see this leave button. That is the door icon or something. Anyway, now tap on it, confirm that you would like to quit this clan, and note that you will not be able to join another one for 24 hours. And then here tap at the OK button to confirm. And that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.